A very good morning to all of you friends. Today we are going to study about some other types of simple permanent tissues such as epidermis, like cork and bark, and stomata. Okay, these are also simple type of permanent tissues. They may be transformed or they are differentiated from the parenchyma cells or the collenchyma cells or the sclerenchyma type of cells or tissues. Okay, but they are some specialized type of, you can say, simple permanent tissues. They are also made up of one type of cells, but they have very important function in the plant's body. They can be present in different parts of the body, like the epidermis or the bark, like the stomata, etc. Okay, so today we are going to study about three special types of tissues which are present in plants: the epidermis, the stomata, and the bark or cork. Now the epidermis. Let us start with epidermis. Epidermis means, epi means outer, dermis means skin. So the outer skin. So just like we have epidermis on our body or epidermal cells or epithelial cells, similarly plants also have outer protective covering called epidermis. In some plants, epidermis may be of single layer, like in herbaceous plants it can be of single layer. But in case of woody plants, those plants which have bark like mango, guava, it can be multi-layered. Especially in cork, like oak tree, it is multi-layered. Okay, so cork is also bark or epidermis. Now this epidermis has important function because it helps in protecting the plant. It is having protective function, so it protects the plant from the external environment. Okay, as you know, plants are stationary. They are stationary in one place, so the epidermis protects all the internal and soft organs which are present inside the plant's body. So the main function of epidermis is protective in function. It also gives some sort of mechanical support to the trees or the stems, etc. Epidermis also helps in preventing the entry of, you can say, infectious agents like bacteria, fungi, etc. Okay, so basically it is protective in nature. Epidermis is also helpful in exchange of gases. Gases means respiratory gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, these respiratory gases, they enter during the process of respiration or photosynthesis or transpiration. So it also helps in exchange of gases. And the most important function of epidermis is protective in function. Okay, I will show you some diagrams of epidermis also. Now let us see the next one, that is stomata. In case of stomata, as you know, stomata are tiny openings which are present in the lower epidermis of the leaves. These stomata are minute openings which are present in the lower epidermis of leaves, and they help in exchange of gases like oxygen, like carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Okay, so these stomata, they also help in processes like respiration, photosynthesis, transpiration, etc. Let us see by the help of diagram how the epidermis and the stomata, they help the plant in performing various functions. Now here you see I have drawn a very simple diagram of the cross section of a leaf. Okay, so in this cross section of leaf, see, the breadth of a leaf is very thin, but here it is actually having a number of layers. So the first layer, this is called the epidermis. That means the uppermost or the outer layer, that is known as epidermis. Okay, just above the epidermis, sometimes another covering is present where deposition of cutin is found. So this outer waxy water resistant layer is called cuticle. It lies outside the outer epidermis. Okay, so it is called cuticle. Like in case of plants such as cactus, if you touch the leaves, you can feel waxy coating is present. That is the cuticle, made of deposition of cutin. Okay, so cuticle, then the upper epidermis. Just below the upper epidermis, there are different types of mesophyll cells which are parenchymatous in nature. Okay, parenchyma cells we have read. Parenchyma can be chlorenchyma or erenchyma. So these are called the mesophyll cells. These mesophyll cells are actually parenchymatous in nature. There are two types. If you see, I have drawn two types of different diagrams. These are called the palisade parenchyma and these are called the spongy parenchyma. Okay, so parenchymatous cells, together they are called mesophyll cells. They help in photosynthesis. And the lower epidermis, this is the lower epidermis which consists of some kidney shaped cells which are called guard cells, and the opening that is called stoma. So singular stoma, plural stomata. Okay, so this is the upper epidermis or the outer epidermis. This is the lower epidermis or the underside epidermis. Okay, the lower epidermis. So epidermis can be on both sides. The dorsal side, this is called the dorsal side, that is the dark side of the leaves. This is the ventral side, that is the lighter surface of the leaf. So this is the cross section of a leaf. This is the location of epidermis in the leaf. Just after that, in the epidermis, just now I told you that stomata are present. See, these stomata are kidney shaped. Okay, and this stomatal opening, the stomatal opening is guarded by two kidney shaped cells. Okay, these cells are called guard cells. So guard cells, they form the stomatal opening. Okay, singular is stoma, plural is stomata, and these are the epidermal cells or the subsidiary cells. That means the ground, these cells, the epidermal cells or the ground cells, which are present around the stomatal opening. So this is epidermis. Okay, this is the stomata. Then comes bark. Bark is also epidermal in nature, but bark is basically present in the woody plants. Okay, bark can be multi-layered like cork. All of you have seen cork, that is used, that is having economic importance, and it is used as bottle stopper in case of homeopathy, medicine, bottles, etc. So cork has economic importance. So cork is also bark. Bark is also impervious to water. Okay, moisture, that means moisture, it does not allow moisture to enter into the internal organs of the plant because bark has a covering called suberin. Okay, suberin, just now we saw in cuticle consists of deposition of cutin, but in case of bark is made up of, or cork is made up of suberin, deposition of suberin. Let me show you how these barks are present in woody plants especially. Let us see, suppose this is the cross section of a stem. Okay, here you can see this green layer, these are called the barks. See, some places they are also dislodged. Okay, so they undergo every type of mechanical injury and protect the internal organs of the plant. So this is the bark, this green portion. Okay, multi-layered, this green portion is the bark. Just below the bark, so you can say just below the bark there are living cells of the epidermis. Okay, epidermal cells, and then the mesophyll cells, the parenchymatous cells. These are the vascular bundles. These are called the vascular bundles. And here in between the vascular bundles, these are the xylem vessels, and this is the cambium, and these are the phloem. Okay, these are conducting tissues. Just after this topic, we will study about conducting tissues like xylem and phloem. Okay, so these are the vascular bundles which are arranged, which help in conduction of water and minerals. So that is a separate topic. And in this diagram, please observe the bark that is present as the outermost layer of the stem or stem in case of woody plants. Okay, so these are the three different types of special types of simple permanent tissues which are present, but with the age of the plant, these bark, epidermis, they are dislodged. Okay, dislodged means separated from the body of the plant because they are protective in nature. So in today's video we have covered epidermis, we have covered stomata and bark or cork. Okay, so please go through this note, and in your class copy please write the summary, try to understand. So till now we have completed simple permanent tissue. From our next video we will start with complex permanent tissue, that is xylem and phloem. Okay, and the previous one we have done parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, that falls under simple permanent tissue. Thank you so much for watching this video.